What's up guys, welcome back to our channel where today we will discuss the best 5 air purifiers according to their performance, budget, value, and more. Check out the description for the latest prices and information. Best overall, Levoit LV-H132. When it comes to silence during air purification, this air purifier sets the standard. It works wonders for people who want to get rid of odors and smoke in their home, office, or bedroom. It also is ideal for condo use, and it won't disturb you while you sleep or work from home, because it's one of the quietest purifiers we've seen. Moving on to its operation, it employs a 3-stage filtration system, a pre-filter to remove large objects such as pet dander and mold. For superior air quality, its True HEPA filter attacks virus and bacteria particles, while an activated carbon filter helps in eliminating odors and smoke. There are 3 fan speed settings and it runs very quietly, with the lowest noise level being 36 decibels. In addition, unlike other purifiers, this air purifier can also function as a nightlight, which can be turned on and off. Best for rooms, Koei Air Mega AP1512H. This offers exceptional air cleaning performance while producing little noise. It's ideal for large rooms since it can clean the smoky air faster. It is intended for rooms measuring up to 361 square feet, and in terms of performance it has a 4-stage filtration system that includes a pre-filter, deodorization filter, True HEPA filter, and vital ion to capture and reduce up to 99.97% of 0.3 micron particles in the air, such as pollen, pollutants, and other allergens. The fan now has fan speeds that can be set manually in 1, 2, and 3 stages. It can automatically optimize the speed setting 1 through 3 while in auto mode based on the level of indoor air quality. And if no pollution is detected for 30 minutes, this fan will automatically stop and switch to eco mode to save energy. The mighty air pollution sensor will communicate real-time indoor air quality. Further to that, it will also tell you how clean or dirty your indoor air is every minute of the day, thanks to the brightly colored LED with a timer and filter lifetime indicator. Best for pets, Space. This is an excellent option for large rooms. It is designed to purify the air in rooms measuring up to 1,500 square feet. This air purifier is both an air cleaner and an odor eliminator with a unique honeycomb activated carbon filter that absorbs odors, smoke, and VOCs. With a cutting-edge fan and motor, it can deliver you with clean air quietly and efficiently, whether that be your home, bedroom, office, kitchen, basement, dorm, apartment, or living room. It includes a 5-in-1 filter system, and unlike standard True H11 HEPA filters, its H13 HEPA can filter 99.97% of particles down to 0.03 microns and 99.95% of particles between 0.3 and 0.1 microns. The unit's digital display can clearly depict your air quality levels so you'll always know what you're breathing. And when in auto mode, the smart air quality sensor detects pollutants in the air and adjusts the fan speed in real time. Best for large rooms, ALEN 75i. This Breathe Smart is unquestionably an improvement over the 45i. It now has smart control, advanced features, and lower noise level, and an enhanced True HEPA filter. It is an excellent choice for large, open concept areas such as living rooms, bedrooms, offices, and more. Every 30 minutes it can clean 1,300 square feet, and featuring ALEN's True HEPA Fresh filter, it can be used to remove airborne allergens, dust, pollen, fur, pet dander, and household odors, as well as smoke from cigarettes, cooking, and VOC fumes from chemicals and aerosol sprays. Its True HEPA Fresh filter has an activated carbon layer that absorbs smoke, cleaning solution fumes, and toxic odors, assisting in the prevention of respiratory issues. Further to that, it can also remove 99.99% of bacteria, aerosolized viruses, and airborne particles larger than 0.1 micron using a medical-grade H13 True HEPA filter layer. Another notable feature is the inclusion of a laser smart sensor, which detects airborne particles and self-adjusts to meet the challenges of your constantly changing environment. Its LED color display will let you see the quality of your air at a glance. And the auto mode, which is designed to run continuously, is controlled by smart sensors, which detect pollutants in the air and automatically speed up or slow down the fan as well as change the air quality light indicator. It is extremely quiet and perfectly tuned to produce only soothing pink noise and has 5 fan speed settings, with the lowest setting producing like a whisper. Best for open floor plans, Air MA112. This has some of the best coverage and performance of any home air purifier on the market. It can cover up to 2,500 square feet every 30 minutes and has a CADR rating of 950 meters cubed per hour. Because of its extensive coverage, it is ideal for open areas in homes and apartments, as well as offices, medical facilities, schools, and universities. Its dual HEPA H13 filtration can remove 99.9% of harmful particles down to 0.1 microns in size. including allergens, odors, VOCs, smoke, pollen, pet dander, dust, smog, contaminants, and more. In terms of fan settings, it offers 4 options with the lowest setting operating virtually silently. It operates at 110 volts and has a maximum noise level of 70 decibels. Here you can also activate sleep mode to completely dim the unit's panel lights for the stealthiest operation. Apart from these, it adds a sleek touch panel with 0 to 8 hour timer, an optical ionizer, a dust sensor, a filter replacement indicator, auto mode, PM 2.5 pollution indicator, and a child lock, making it suitable for both children and pets.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.